After the rain has come to let the world unfold, I can feel the mystery that makes us whole. Storms wash the world, showering droplets, thundering torrential downpours, flooding ravines and meadows, down city boulevards and avenues, down mountainsides into oceans, swelling rivers, overflowing sewer grates, surging through the throats of spillways, the clamor and crack of lightning bolts illuminating the sky. Such power, such testimony, little for human minds to do but marvel at the majesty.
After the rain has come, there is no more love or fear, and the silent way once more is free.
The heart holds its own storm, thunderstruck by lifelong lessons, witnessing the cruel stupidities of man-made dilemmas desecrating the earth. Solvable if only honest hearts would rise above the puny politics of grab and shower the acrimonious landscape with a tempest of indisputable truth. If only a million efforts would rise like a benevolent tsunami and clear the earth of human treachery, charging the atmosphere with divine light, illuminating the possibilities of dreams, once dreams, and hopes and visions beyond the cynical forces of greed and power. After the rain has come, all of the world is clean, and we will dream the dream within the dream to rise again. After the rain, the heart holds a
of its own,
after the rain,
illuminating the possibilities of dreams
after the
and
rain,
hopes and visions
after the
beyond the
rain,
cynical forces of greed and power.